Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks for a handyman business. Start by setting up a company file, entering your business name, address, and tax ID, and choose a chart of accounts for service work. Create customer records with contact details, job addresses, and rates. Set up items for labor and materials, and connect your business bank account for automatic transaction imports and easy reconciliation and invoices. Invoices and estimates keep your cash flowing and your jobs organized. Build an estimate template that lists labor, parts, and any subcontractor fees, then send it for approval. When approved, convert the estimate into an invoice and mark deposits or progress payments. Use payment terms like net 15 or net 30 and enable online payments so customers can pay quickly and you can reconcile payments without manual entry. Tracking expenses precisely gives you a clear picture of job profitability. Capture receipts on the go with your phone and attach them to transactions. Categorize costs into tools, materials, subcontractors, and vehicle expenses so reports show true margins. Track mileage using the app or log per mile to capture deductible travel. Regularly reconcile accounts so bank records match QuickBooks and you always know which jobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.